Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing ingredient that will help you to wash off those annoying fat. Okay guys, so each tablespoon of this is going to do the job. Okay, now this is actually very amazing. It's actually something you know, but let's get into the video. Okay, so you can actually see it. They are actually very reachable ingredients. Okay, so do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, hit on the like button, and let's go. Taking 1 tablespoon each of this would help you to wake up having that flat belly, burn those belly fat, well, gradually though. Okay, so we're gonna be needing some turmeric. Now turmeric is a spice that is actually great for the body. It helps. Bring the cup and come and be keeping it here. I will not be saying give me cup all the time. Keep it somewhere here. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be taking 1 tablespoon of this. Sorry, that's actually 1 teaspoon, okay? Because you don't need to take too much. Okay, so the next ingredient which we are going to be making use of is ginger. Now you have to use dry ginger, okay? Dry ginger is perfect for this mixture. Okay, so we're equally going to be taking 1 tablespoon of dry ginger, or rather 1 teaspoon, yeah. Not too much, otherwise it's gonna be pepperish. So this is it, and we're not going to be putting water. Other ingredients is going to complement the water, yeah. Okay, so the next ingredient is going to be cucumber. Now cucumber is one great ingredient that aids so much for weight loss. It helps to remove unwanted fat, and it helps to nourish up your skin and your body because it contains a whole lot of juice. Okay, so what we're going to do is to cut this cucumber into some pieces. And then we're going to transfer it into a blender. And here we have our cucumber. Grab a bowl, and then we're gonna strain it all up, yeah. Equally going to be needing some parsley leaf, or you can actually use some cilantro leaf. Okay, all right, so this is actually very healthy, and we're going to be plugging it out. This aids so much for weight loss, and it's remove all fats, belly fat and whatnot, yeah. So we're going to be plugging it into a bowl. After that is done, then we're going to be blending it. Now when you're using your parsley leaf, you don't have to use too much of it, just a little of the parsley leaf, okay, would go a whole long way. Okay, so this is my parsley leaf, and I'm gonna sieve it out. And this is it. Okay then, so we're gonna be needing some pear. Now this pear is going to help to make this drink a whole lot sweet and smell really good. Okay, and it's aid in weight loss. Okay, so I have this half cut of pear, since I'm actually not going to be using too much of the pear. So after cutting, okay, so the pear is blended and this is it. So we're going to sieve this out equally. Okay, so this is my parsley leaf, this is my cucumber, and this is a combination of my powder ingredients. So I'm gonna be turning in the parsley leaf in here, the pear and the cucumber. So after turning this in, I'll give it a stir. And yeah guys, this is it. This is amazing. The color is superb. Okay, so you drink this to lose all of those fat. Drink this to wake up slim. Now if you drink this every night, man, you're going to wake up and all of those bloatness is going to go down. This is so amazing. Let me taste it. This is yummy. This is nice, but I don't like parsley leaf. I kind of take it because of, you know, reducing belly fat, but personally I don't like it. But this is actually very nice. It doesn't taste bad at all. It tastes really good and it's great. So go give it a go. I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. So that's it guys. If you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. And these ingredients are actually simple, right? Yes, they're actually simple and it tastes great also, and it will do the job. Just give it a little time, you know, consume it and just give it a little patience and you are good to go. All right, so let me get out of here and I'll see you again. Bye. Leave your comments.